up, everybody? So on this episode, we are going to be installing a coilover conversion kit on the C10. And a huge shout out to Aldan American for setting us up, doing a little research, making sure we're getting the right kit for this. So with this particular project, you know, you need the right tools, the right people. People have probably done it before. So we're heading over to a good friend of mine's, and we're gonna see what we can do and dig into this, so stay tuned.
Who's that right there? What are you videoing?
I'm videoing you. What are you videoing?
What? Hold on now.
Hold on now.
So there's Gasratz.
So today, there's always that one guy. Good God. So anyway, I made it over to Lucky Shop. It's gonna be a long video. Anyway, we are here today. Big shout out to Aldan American. They have supplied us with a coilover conversion kit for the 74 C10. It actually is, their kit goes from, he's playing basketball over there.
I'm sorry, is this really you?
Who's that tire by?
That's a Milestar.
That's a Milestar tire. So we're gonna jump into this today. Oh, let's take a look at some of the road rash. Oh, look at those arms.
Yeah, nice job there.
They've hit a few things. They got some springs in there that are not the right size. Probably sitting out of the pocket. So we're gonna yank this apart. Hey, the good thing is there's no inner wheel wells in here.
I didn't notice that.
Yeah. So we're gonna get this party started.
You got two different sized luggage.
Hey, what do you think of their product? Does it look pretty good? Pretty decent?
Oh yeah, I do. I like it.
Good stuff.
I'm familiar with this.
That's right. You've had it in the past, so
Been down there.
been down that road.
Tech tip. So generally you can just use a sledgehammer or maybe two sledgehammers, where you put one sledgehammer against the actual spindle, then you strike it right where it says do not ever strike this hammer with another hammer. Or you can get a hammerhead for an impact or an air chisel, and oh, it works good. Ready? Done.
Dude, done.
So the cool thing about that is you'll see spindles that have just been hammered to death. Well, like this. Not so much to death, but it did take a beating. Here's the lower one. You see it move?
That's money, dude.
That is money. So go next door. The trick here is to not take the nuts off all the way.
These.
Don't take.
Did you say these
don't
nuts?
take these nuts off all the way. This has lowered springs, so there's not a lot of pressure on it. If this was a full-length truck spring, those things would have twang.
Yeah.
Come right out. But okay, we're halfway there.
Cool.
Control arm bolts. Took one out already. Don't try and lift this thing up and try to get underneath it. That's never going to happen. Get a long pry bar or a long piece of pipe, stick it in there like that, pull it down, and then also don't worry about the shims. They don't matter no more. Don't go there.
Just like. Whoa. Resale value.
Not using those.
All right, so we got the upper and lower out. Take a look at these lower ones here. These have seen better days. Oh, the bushings are jacked. These have scraped the ground a few times. Oh man, look at that one. That's bad. Ball joints are a mess. So yeah, we're moving right along. All right, so the next part is getting the rivet gun, popping these guys out. But we're almost there.
Here's the trick: is you find an old, messed up chisel. This is the chiseler. One side flat, the other side, nice little angle right there. Pretty
Why
sharp.
is that? Why?
Because one side, you wanted to cut in and then lift it away. You're not trying to split it 2 ways. If you were to make it angled on both sides, it would cut into it. You still have a head.
Yeah.
Let me
Nice.
see that thing. Harbor Freight, right there. Doing the job. There's all that WD-40 in here. All right, it's gonna be loud. Nice flat surface.
Bye.
Say goodbye. Say goodnight.
Oh, you alright?
That's delicious. I don't know what you drove through, but it tastes just like WD-40. Give me a rag.
He's talking about rust. I think maybe he's talking about this. I don't
I'm
know.
gonna get that for you.
Let me.
Okay.
That'll buff out. Well, look at that. Things are coming along. All this crap is coming. All this crap's coming off. All this goodness is going. Funny shit happens when you work with this dude. But so yeah, his glasses didn't quite make.
You talking to me?
We'll get you some new frames, bro. That's freaking hilarious.
The $1.99 down the toilet.
Sorry about that.
Hey, I forgot the light on.
Yeah, let me go get the light again. This side's lit up pretty nice. Jesus Christ. I'll do the same over there.
Whoa, it's metal?
But this is the template, yeah, that Aldan provides. How's it going there?
That's pretty nice.
So,
Really only go in there.
so it just matches up with the holes for the rivets, right? Well, they were.
Sledgehammer.
Wow. Sweet.
We'll see. Where's the
All right, well, Lucky worked his magic. Thanks, Lucky. And here is the upper, so obviously cut it out with the plasma. So this is what Aldan provides, is the upper bracket. And as you can see, sits there. Everything matches up nicely. So we'll be able to bolt it in. All right, well, we got the lower end, we got the shocks hanging there, the upper mounts are in, and we're gonna pause for today. It's getting a little late. We got a late start, but I'm gonna wrap this up tomorrow, but so far this is looking super good. We'll take a look at the other side. Got the lower arm in, the shock is just hanging there, we got the upper mount. It's all looking pretty good.
Wait, what?
We're gonna call it a day though. We got a late start, but
late start? We started like at 7.
so that's a wrap. We have the Aldan coilover conversion.
Yeah.
Finally installed.
You did a lot on this truck.
Right?
You did a lot.
Yeah. So it actually came out super nice. Just a couple little modifications. One thing to point out is that the upper A-arms are
Different from left to right.
different from left to right. So we learned that valuable lesson.
Telltale signs. The bump stop mounting hole goes to the rear of the control arm.
Yeah, just a FYI. But other than that, we got it aligned. Things driving pretty good. I got the front sway bar on. What'd you think overall?
This is a cruiser, buddy.
Yeah, you like it?
Yeah.
All right,
You know,
cool.
the one thing about those upper control arms is you don't really have to know that, because as soon as you get to the alignment shop, they'll point it out to you.
They let me know. So anyway, again, huge shout out to Aldan. Thank you guys, appreciate it. We're gonna be by your shop. I think you're gonna do a photo shoot. I didn't tell you about that.
Really?
Yeah, we're going to their shop to do a photo shoot with this truck, so you're coming.
Supermodel?
Yeah, I'm gonna cut you up, clean up.
Hands. These hands, supermodel hands.
All right, again, please like, subscribe, share. What else do you do?
Tell a friend.
Tell a friend. Make sure you check out his, actually, this is gonna be on yours, right?
Is it?
As well, and
yeah.
mine? I don't know.
Yeah. Oh, in that case, don't forget to follow Gasratz Customs on his Instagram and your YouTube. What's your YouTube?
Gasratz Customs.
That's crazy. So
Pretty
it's the same
straightforward.
name on Instagram and YouTube. Right on.
That's it. Thanks for watching. See ya.
Peace.